Oh, slash morning.
At 9:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a line of strong thunderstorms located along the line extending from 34 nautical miles south of miles west of the Grand Haven Light to 26 nautical miles east of Wind Point, moving southeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, dangerous conditions above deck. Locations impacted will include the Saugatuck Pier Heads, the Grand Haven Light, and the Muskegon Light.
What the heck? Holy cow! Oh! Oh!
South Haven, Michigan, until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a line of strong thunderstorms located along the line extending from 30 nautical miles west of the South Haven Light to 29 nautical miles north, 1 nautical miles southeast of Winthrop Harbor, moving southeast at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gust 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, dangerous conditions above deck. Locations impacted include the St. Joseph Light, the South Haven Light, and St. Joseph. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. This is the area weather outlook issued by